How's everybody doing today? So, doing something a little bit different today. Bodywork is not my thing. However, sometimes I do get involved in certain things when I'm asked. And let me show you what I'm doing here. I got a S10 pickup. This is like the last year of the S10 pickup truck. There's actually a Ford work, and it's in pretty nice shape except for one little problem. This. Now, I already cut out the rocker panel. It was just rotted away. There's the chunk laying down there. Now, the guy doesn't want to take care of the inside part. He just wants to aesthetically make the outside look decent. So, what I did was I took a piece of sheet metal. Now, this is actually from the hood of a Ford that I fixed the front end on. I don't know if you guys saw the pictures that I posted on the Facebook page, Backyard Mechanics. But basically, this is a piece of the hood, and I cut it out and I shaped it to fit in here. So it's going to go in here, and it should look pretty good once it's done. I'm going to tack it in place, and basically what I did was it was a piece of flat steel, and I used the edge of the lift to kind of shape it, and I basically clamped it down over here on the hard edge, on the sharp edge, to create the top piece there, and then the bottom edge I just kind of like slowly rolled on there. And what I did was I actually clamped it to the lift arm in several places just to keep it steady because I don't have a metal brake. So now I'm going to tack weld this in place, and let's see how this comes out. I think it'll come out okay. I mean, we're not looking for a showpiece here, but what we're going to do is once this is in place, we're going to spray some undercoating or rust preventative like stuff on the inside, and then we're going to actually sand down the entire rocker panel all the way up to the front. We're going to sand it down, and then we're going to spray it with a like rhino liner type stuff in the spray can, like a bed liner stuff in the spray can. So let's see how that comes out. All right, so I got the piece tacked in place, and I cleaned it up a bit. There's a couple of little holidays, as we like to refer to, days off, spots that are missing. Anyway, let me just show you real quick. So here it is. It's in place. It's tacked. As you can see, I have a couple of holes in it right there. It's where the metal was thin, but I'm going to straighten that out. Not a big deal. I'm just going to tack it again right there and then sand it down. It should be fine. I got one there. But all in all, it's looking pretty good. And like I said, it's going to get like a rhino liner type of coating on it when I'm done, so you wouldn't even be able to see it. So to me, that looks pretty darn good. And like I said, the shape is perfect, so I'm very happy with it. It holds the contour the way it's supposed to. So this is going to look really good. So, oops, sorry about that. So I guess I'll follow up with once I'm done. Or I'll complete this video once I'm done, I should say. All right, let me continue with this and get this done. All right, so how did I make out? I think I did pretty good. So on that last video, or that last section there, you saw how I had a couple of pinholes and stuff. Now I tried to hit it with the MIG welder, just tack it real quick. And the problem is the metal's kind of thin in those areas. So I was having an issue where it kept blowing through. I got most of them closed up, but I had a couple that were just, really fighting me. So what I did was I got JB Weld, mixed up some JB Weld, and packed it with JB Weld, and sanded that down once it dried. I have JB Weld. I don't have Bondo. I'm not going to buy Bondo for this because I'm never going to use it again. So let me show you what I got. So here it is. I just sprayed it. And compared to what it looked like before, I think it's a million times better. And what I did was, this is the stuff I sprayed it with. I've used this before. This works pretty good. I've used this on frames and stuff like that. I actually like how this looks once it's dried. So I got this completed on this side. As you can see, all the way up front. And then let's take a walk to the other side. You can see I got it all masked off, and I gave it a shot over here. So I'm going to let this set up. And then what I'm going to do is take the tape off and see how everything looks. But I'm going to let it set up. Probably give it one more hit on the other side where I did the actual repair. And then we'll go from there. So if you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Help me make more videos, better content. Now, just so you know, this, like I said, the shop, I don't know, did I say this? I don't know. Getting old, getting senile. The shop is very tight where this lift is. So I don't have a lot of room to set up my tripod, because otherwise I would have had my tripod set up and you could have watched me as I went along and did everything. But I don't have that ability right here. So anyway, that's it. If you could, Hit the like button. Please subscribe. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.